all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep.
Welcome. We gotta get into it. We're gonna work out today. I'm gonna do or attempt, a full body workout because your girl is still not a workout pro. She's getting back into it. The last video that I did, I seen y'all kind of like it. So let me know if you guys like it. Make sure you comment. We're gonna be doing arms, core, and legs. Legs is not too intense, but I'm gonna try and interact with you guys a little bit more so you know what to do right and what not to do wrong. So yeah, we're gonna get into it, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead jugger there, fine, oh, bucket there, watch your love for like it, why not more there, your body, check it, push it ready, yeah, in my day, dumbell, see, kilo fat.
I did 20, my bad y'all. I'm trying to do 2 sets of 15. If you want more intense, you can do more reps. So maybe like 3 sets of 15. But I did 20 on this one by accident, so I'm gonna still finish off with 15 for the next set. Reason.
People edition, cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you want. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in a yard and take a 3 pints. I believe panel lane in the street. Jesus Christ, no make him run, no make him out, no make him sleep even nights more. Yeah, dash him when nobody can find us. You must be sick. And a 17, I jump in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. All them want, tell them get the tongue cooked up. Every guns up, every killer mass up. Mass up upon them ends, no, does a clot up. Does a man up, dead the way I feel my lips. No, so you must come at my killer, them no works up. Long as them a jack food.
Son, you my stepson.
And now I be a gun for anything start up. Fully knock, fully charge and fully carb up. You must be sick. And a 17, I jump in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. I'm in a kill two of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Intellectual murder people edition. A campfire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, big up a killer man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up in the man. We make a man up, body a fish up. And heart attack, in a head back. Like sponge up, put the rest back. Mother belly company when me let me stamp. How you know about gunmanship? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. How you know about gunmanship? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. You must be sick. And I 17, I drop in at this 45 feet, me caught it now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. Miss me. Coming up kill two of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Rock, Spanish town, Babylon, Ghetto, Uptown, Gunsmith, no, Rattigan.
I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get a pack and keep it open. Big tripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look bro, hit this nigga and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Shooters follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the parties and drive the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't type her up. They my last, I know wiping her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.
Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke gloss and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar, the feel the sun. I'm broke, see it drop by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my problems, we stacking up wallow and try to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, still like the new BML. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right and left. Say you drink up the car, ain't no key in there. It's put us till they block and get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep it spell. On the strap because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky swelling, jewelry and a present. 150 flying, Richard Mello. Come on, but they damn it to his empty. Because I spit the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but don't tell me I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody?
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, bong, bong. Make a call, make a keep a deep bong, bong, bong. Your body, kakara. Make a bong, bong, bong. On a make a deep. Kilo fait, on m'a tête, chocolat. Fine, fine, oh, baguette. Watch your love for like it. Why not more, more than. Your body, chocolate. Bush it ready, yeah, in my dick. Double dose, kilo fait. Why now, my lady? Tell me what's in your body. I'm a damn easy, baby. I want gon' give me control. If you want to get out, I'ma make up my eye. I'ma need that can you. I go my eye. I'ma need that can you. Maybe, do maybe. I don't money there.
believe I'm this out of breath. I'm only doing 2 sets, but I'm still doing 30 repeatedly. So anyway, my tips would to be like for this one, to go slower so that you can feel it better. So I'm gonna go up a weight. I was doing 3 pounds on both hands. I'm gonna go up on my last set and do things in moderation to work yourself up. When I was doing the front kicks, I realized it's okay to bend your knees. Like you can go straight, but that workout I did before didn't fit for that. So do what feels right for you. We're gonna resume and we're gonna go up a weight. So make sure you're taking your breaks, you're drinking your water, and let's get back into
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, eager fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up with your boy. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main in the bucky man had Jesus Christ. Now make him run, now make him out, now make him sleep even nights. More yeah, dash when nobody can find us. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Why the man tell them get the tongue cooked up. Every guns up, every killer mass up. Mass have a pandemic, no does a clot up. Does a man not fit the way I feel my lips. No, so you must mad, my killer them no works up. Long as him a talk food too well swag up. And now I be gun for anything start up. Fully lock, fully charge and fully carb up. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick.
Young money raised me. Who about me?
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, eager fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up with your man. We make you a man up, body a fish up. And heart attack, in a head back, like sponge up. Put the rest back, mother belly company when me let me stamp. How you know about gunman shift? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. How you know about gunman shift? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Rock, Spanish town, Babylon, Crypto, Uptown, Gunsmith, no, Ratty gang.
I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lotion. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it giving though. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers low. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise to drive to the period. Oh, he in love. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last, no wiping up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.
Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Gloss and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof off the car, let her feel the sun. I'm broke, see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and swallow and try get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, still like the new BML. Think I'm dumb, got clothes in my right or left. And you can't go to car, ain't no key in them. Just put lost in they pocket, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. Wanna stop because I'm worried. Check the trunks, I'm counting more fake. Sky swelling, jewelry, and a present. Time to 50, trying Richard Mello. But they damage to his empty because I'm spitting flavor to the top. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
Oh, he in love. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody?
Okini, let me. Okini, plenty money. Okini, love ya. Okini, baby. Okini, let me. Plenty money. Talk my getting wa. Where I'm on dollar. Messi agbe oya. Balang my money joya. Shade joya. Take a whole patako. Mama sexy mama. Follow me go my joya.
Alright, check it out.
Can you tell? Your girl broke the sweat, okay? We're not lying. We don't do that, okay? I do want to mention a technique that I'm sure trainers tell you. I don't even think it's a technique. I don't know. For example, when I was just doing the last workout, I'm doing the toe touches, the core toe touches. I breathe when my weights are on the ground. So I go. So anytime I release in any workout, I breathe out. I think it's just a more effective way to engage your core in any workout that you do by also controlling your breathing. So I used to be a girl who used to hold her breath in while I do certain workouts. I don't know, I just feel like I don't know, that worked for me. But a healthier way to get oxygen flow to your muscles would be to breathe in while you're controlling, and when you're releasing, breathe out. So that's my recommendation for you guys. I'm getting back into my workout plan. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if this helps you, definitely put a thumbs up and subscribe, because I'll be doing more of this content even if y'all don't like it, because we all need health in our life, okay? But nonetheless, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
The sun is shining, it's a new day.